How to become a Bingx trader and get up to $50,000 in real trading funds. Yo, what's up my dudes? Are you tired of missing out on the crypto gains while all your homies are making bank? Well, listen up because I'm about to spill the tea on how you can become a Bingx trader and get your hands on up to $50,000 in real trading funds. Hey there, my name is Ryan and I've been a crypto enthusiast for quite some time now. I've seen the highs and lows, the pump and dumps, and the FOMO-inducing rallies. But let me tell you, ever since I discovered Bingx, my life has been on a whole new level, my dudes. You see, Bingx is a next-level cryptocurrency exchange that's changing the game. They've got lightning-fast trading, insane liquidity, and a mind-blowing feature that's gonna make your jaw drop, the ability to get up to $50,000 in real trading funds. That's right, folks, you can start trading with real money without risking a single penny of your own. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yo, Ryan, that sounds too good to be true. But hear me out, my friends. Bingx has got a killer referral program that's designed to help newbie traders like yourself get a head start. All you gotta do is sign up using the referral code 911, that's right, 911, like the emergency number, and you'll be on your way to becoming a certified Bingx trader. But that's not all, my dudes. Bingx has got a ton of other features that'll make your trading experience a total blast. They've got advanced charting tools, lightning-fast order execution, and a user-friendly interface that even your grandma could navigate. And let's not forget about the insane liquidity. You'll never have to worry about slippage or getting stuck in a trade. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I get my hands on that sweet $50,000 in trading funds? Well, my friends, it's all about mastering the art of trading. Bingx has got a killer education platform that'll teach you everything you need to know, from the basics of technical analysis to advanced trading strategies. And once you've got the hang of it, you can start putting that real deal trading capital to work. But let me tell you, my friends, this ain't no walk in the park. Trading crypto is a wild ride, and you gotta be ready to strap in and hold on tight. That's why Bingx has got a team of experienced traders and analysts who are always on hand to offer their expertise and guidance. They're like your personal cheerleaders, helping you navigate the ups and downs of the market. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? Head on over to Bingx, sign up using the referral code 911, and get ready to become a certified crypto trading boss. Just remember to keep an eye on those links and contacts in the comments section because that's where you'll find all the juicy details. And one more thing, make sure you watch the entire video, my friends. I've got a few more killer tips and tricks up my sleeve that'll help you make the most of your Bingx trading experience. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this, my dudes. So, let's do this. Let's get you set up with that sweet $50,000 in trading funds and start crushing the crypto game like the legends we are. Bingx, here we come.